1.5C. Okay, here's an example. We won the lottery. What is the best option? 270,000 now or 100,000 at the end of each year for 3 years? Okay, well, what would they need to put in to get $100,000 at the end of the first year? So I'm going to call this P01. What will P01 be in order to get $100,000 at the end of the first year? So I'm going to put $100,000 at the end of the first year equals P01 plus, now assume that the rate is 5%, so I'm going to put 0.05, pretty high rate. And we're looking annually, and we're looking at the first year, 1 times 1. Okay. So when we do all this work, we're going to find out that P0 equals $95,238. So for the first year, the Lottery Commission would have to put in $95,238 into this account for that at the end of the year you'd have $100,000. Okay, so let's go P0 on 2 years. What would that be? So at the end of the second year, we're given $100,000. I'm calling this P0 again. 1 plus 0.05, 1. But this time we're looking at 2 years. Okay? So when we solve for this, we find out that P0, well, 2 in this sense, here this was 1, equals 90,703. Okay, so to get 100,000 the second year, they had to put 90,703 in the first year when you won it. Okay, let's go to the last one, the third year. Okay, we have $100,000, P0, 1 plus 0.05 over 1. The third year, okay? So, P0 on the third year, what we would have to invest so that 3 years later we would have $100,000, it would be $86,000, 384. Okay. All right. So we either take this amount now or we wait and we get 100,000 each year. Now when we're getting 100,000 each year, what was it that we really were getting? We would have gotten this plus this plus this, okay? So we're going to add that up. 95,238 plus 90,703 plus 86,384. The total of all of those is 272,325. Okay, now notice that number is larger than the original 270,000. So this is the present value of 3 installments. And this we have if we took it immediately. So which one would you do? Well, of course, which one's larger, right? So this one wins out.